Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to show coordinates in Minecraft on Mac. Let's get started. So coordinates help you know your exact location in the Minecraft world. This is useful for navigation, locating structures, or returning to specific spots. Here are the step-by-step guide. First, open your Minecraft Java edition. Start your world or join a server where you have the permission to see coordinates. Then, on a standard keyboard, press F3 or function key 3 at the top of the keyboard. This opens the debug screen, showing lots of game information, including your XYZ coordinates. Then here for laptop users, if you're on a MacBook or laptop, some functions keys perform special actions like adjusting brightness. To make F3 works, hold down Fn key and press F3 at the same time. So Fn plus F3. Find your coordinates. On the bug screen, look for X, 1, 2, 3, east and west position. Y is 64, height and altitude. Z is -45, north and south position. If coordinates don't appear, press Ask option and go to chat settings. Scroll until you find a reduce debug info and make sure that it's set to off. Then press F3 again to reopen the debug screen and your XYZ coordinates should now appear. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.